Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wave Payroll for tax form generation step by step clearly. To register with Wave Payroll for tax form generation, start by visiting the Wave website. Click on the Sign Up button located in the top right corner of the home page. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Once you've completed the form, click on the Create Your Account button. You will receive a confirmation email from Wave. Check your inbox and click on the confirmation link provided in the email. After confirming your email, return to the Wave homepage and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, select Payroll from the menu options. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your business information, including your business name and address. Next, provide your employer identification number, or EIN, if applicable. If you do not have an EIN, you can opt for your Social Security number instead. Continue by entering your payroll information, including employee details and pay frequency. Review your information for accuracy and click on the Save button to proceed. Once your details are saved, navigate to the Tax Forms section of the dashboard. Select the type of tax form you need to generate for your employees. Follow the prompts to complete any necessary information for the selected tax form. After filling in the required details, click on the Generate button. Review the generated tax form for accuracy and completeness. Finally, download or print the tax form for your records. You have successfully registered with Wave Payroll and generated your tax forms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.